Jan 8530 heavy, continue down on the runway please, Tango 4, or yeah, Tango 4, if you're airborne, Tango 4 Sierra into the western Union, thank you.
Alright, we'll do Tango 4 Sierra into Western Union Giant, 8530.
Red 6 Romeo Soup, 1.5 the Crocs, runway 26 left, cliff takeoff.
1.5 Crocs, 3 left takeoff.
Heavy Miami Tower, runway 27, line up and wait. The traffic on 8 mile final, landing 30, be ready.
Line up and wait, runway 27, Tower is 89 west.
Yeah.
Line up and wait, 26 left, keep it 0334 heavy.
American 1353, runway 27, clear for takeoff, Arnav Casino.
American 1353, clear for takeoff, runway 27, RNAV.
Crocs runway 27, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Crocs, clear for takeoff, 27, 732.
Clear for takeoff, keep it on the roll.
RNAV Casino, runway 27, clear for takeoff, American 917.
San Pedro 2481 heavy, Arnav to Casino, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Arnav to Casino, clear for takeoff, runway 27, San Pedro 2481 heavy.
Lanco 2801 heavy, Miami Tower, runway 27, line up and wait, traffic for mile final, landing on 30.
Line up and wait, 27, Lanco 2801 heavy.
Runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 27, number route 9695.
Traffic on a 6 mile final, landing on 30 is company, runway 27, line up and wait.
Roger, copy. 27, line up and wait, American 2030.
Blanco 2831 Heavy, Arnab to Casino, runway 27, clear for takeoff, no delay on the roll.
On the roll, clear for takeoff, Arnab to Casino, Blanco 2831 here.
Ethiopian 3517 Heavy, Miami Tower, reduce to your final approach speed, 1 departure prior to arrival, runway 27, land up off runway 27, clear to land.
Roger, reduce minimum, approach to Ethiopian 3517.
And let's do right turn on Tango 4 and hold short of the entrance of the eastern U there. You can monitor tower 1 to 1.8, you have to give way to the outbound estafeta, Boeing 737.
Roger, Ethiopian 3517, Tango 4, holding also on turn 1 to 1.8, monitor, give way for traffic.
Yes sir, you're gonna, on Sierra, you're gonna hold short of the entrance of the alley.
Copy, hold Ethiopian 3517.
American 1364, runway 27, clear for takeoff, no delay on the roll.
Okay, 1364, go to takeoff 27, American. Go to takeoff.
Sky High 3911, Miami Tower, runway 27, line up on 8.
27, land up by way, Sky High 39.
Blanco 1503 Heavy, Arnab to Crocs, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Arnab to Crocs, runway 27, clear for take Blanco 1503.
Avianca 031 Miami Tower, caution wake turbulence, runway 27, line up on 8.
Hello, 27, line up on way Avianca 031.
American 915 Miami Tower, runway 27, line up on way, traffic on a 2-mile final, landing 30.
Runway 27,